Hi, hello students. Welcome to my Abhyas. This is Dr. Radha, your chemistry teacher. In my session 4, we discussed about how to calculate unit cell dimension. Now in this session 6, I'm going to take up some numericals because in exam, some numericals will be asked. Based on that derivation, you have to solve. Now, I hope you have you are practicing all those derivations and all, right? Now using those derivations, how can you calculate density or edge length or radius or molar mass, that and all we are going to look at here now. So in this session, I'm going to solve some numericals. Okay. So once again, I welcome you. Now the first numerical, you please look at here. See, the numerical given is what exactly? Centered cubic unit cell. Okay, in that atomic mass is 60. So element having atomic mass 60, and then edge length of the cell is 400 picometer. Now Avogadro number is given 6.023 into 10 power 23. So what is the question here means? An element having atomic mass 60 has centered cubic unit cell. The edge length of the unit cell is 400 picometer. Find the density of the unit cell. This is the straight question. Okay. Now how can you solve if it is given like this means? See here, formula already we derived. What is the formula for the density? D is equal to what? You know very well. Z into M divided by A cube Na. Yes or not? Okay. So already we have derived this. Where Z is what? Number of atoms. M is molar mass. Okay. Mass of the unit cell. A cube. See here. This is A is what? Edge length. Okay. And Na, Avogadro number. You have to calculate what? Density. So here, what is the Z value? See, an element having what? Atomic mass has a 60 centered cubic unit cell. 60. Mass is 60. So here, M value. First you have to note down what and all it is given. What is the M value it is given here? So here M is how much here? 60. Okay. M value is 60. Okay. Now, here M is 60 means 60 gram moles per. Okay. M is 60 grams per moles per. So here first I am writing a data. And then here A value it is given. What is the A value it is given? A is equal to how much? 400 picometer. See, you have to convert this one. Okay. So 400 picometer means 400 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter. You have to convert from picometer to centimeter. Now you got M value, A value you got. Then here Na is given how much it is? Na is equal to 6.0 what exactly? 23 into 10 power 23. So if it is the case, then you have to calculate what is the D value. See here, actually this is face centered cubic unit cell, FCC. Given is FCC. Okay, here some mistake is done. This is the FCC. So for FCC, what is the Z value? You know very well. For FCC, Z is equal to how much? 4. Okay. Now we got Z value, M value we got, A value we are having, Na it is given. You have to calculate what? D. So now solution. How can you solve this problem? See, first you have to write the formula. What is the formula here? For FCC. For FCC, Z is equal to 4 because the given problem is regarding what? FCC. So for FCC, Z is equal to 4. See here, first I am writing data. Okay, what and all it is given. First you note down what and all given. Z is equal to 4 and then unit cell. See here, edge length of the unit cell is given. A is equal to 400 picometer. Or else what you can write? 400 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter. This is the A value. Then atomic mass, M value, it is given. M is equal to how much? 60 grams per mole. So it is also given, right? Now what we have to calculate? D we have to calculate. Therefore D is equal to how much? We have to calculate. So what is the formula? See, you should write like this. We know that. So what is the formula you are going to write? We know that D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. This is the formula. So here straight substitution, Z value 4 into 60. 4 into M value 60, right? So 4 into 60 whole divided by A cube means here 400 into 10 power minus 10 whole cube. So 10 power minus 10 whole cube into Na. See here, Na value, it is 6.023 into 10 power 23. So like this is a direct substitution here. You need not to worry. So if they give numerical like this, first you have to write data, then afterwards with respect to that data, first you have to frame the formula, then substitution, then afterwards you have to simplify. After simplification, you will get a value of 6.226. See D value here, after simplification, you will get 6.226 because it is density, no? So density formula is how much? What is the formula? Gram per centimeter cube. Okay. So like this, you can calculate and you can tell what is the density of the given, what exactly? Cubic lattice. So here density of the unit cell in the given cubic unit lattice you can calculate. So this is the density of the unit cell for what? FCC structure. This is how you can do calculation. So here I have written answer. So this is the numerical. So how you will get this answer means stepwise calculation I told. Please don't get confused. First you go through what problem it is given. First you have to go through properly. You have to understand it. Then data you have to write. Then with respect to that data, you have to frame the formula. Then see first formula you have to write. Then substitution, simplification with unit. If unit is not written means you are going to lose 1 mark. So this is the density value of the unit cell for the given unit cell. This is how you can calculate. See now neatly I will tell now. So if they give like this, first you have to write the data. What it is that data you have to note down. Then formula you have to write here. What is the formula? D is equal to Z into M. D is equal to Z into M. Okay. Z into M divided by A cube Na. First you write the formula. Then you substitute. In this you have to substitute the values. Then after simplification, you will get this much. Just now I told you how to do this numerical. I hope you understood this, right? So this is how you can solve this numerical. So this is the one numerical. Okay. So like this, they will give mass of the atom and then they will give edge length. Then you have to find out what? Density. So straight formula you have to write. Okay. I hope you understood. Now second type of numerical I am going to take up now. So this is the one type of numerical they may ask in the exam. See this is the formula that I derived in the session 4. I think you remembered all those things. Okay. Now, next, the second numerical. Here, element has a body-centered cubic structure, BCC. So before, in the first one, what we discussed, it was FCC. Now this is BCC. It has a cell edge of. Previously it was asked as edge length. You need not to get confused. They can say it is a edge length or a cell edge of. Like that also they can tell. So it is 288 picometer. The density of the element is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. So here density is given, edge length is given. Now what you have to do here, how many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element. So you have to calculate how many number of atoms are present in 208 gram of the element. Please don't get confused. See here, you have to calculate how many number of atoms are present. See here, again formula. See, what is the formula? Same formula you have to write. See? Now, here what is the formula? You know very well. D, density. D is equal to, right? First you write the formula. Solution. See how to solve this numerical if it is the case. Solution. First you write the formula. Always you have to write formula. It will carry 1 mark. What is the formula? See here. D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Sometime Na value will be given. Sometime it will not be given. Even if it is not given also, it is a constant value. You should substitute that value. You should know the value. 6.023 into 10 power 23. Okay. So that atoms per mole, that you should know. Now here with respect to this numerical, what it is given. So what exactly you have to do? See here. So here only I am going to solve this numerical. Please have a look at this. Solution. First you note down the data. What it is given here? BCC. The given structure is what? BCC. Now for BCC, how many number of atoms? You know very well. For BCC, number of atoms per unit cell is how much here? 2. Because BCC means body centered. I told no, for body centered how many number of atoms? Already I have told. Say BCC. Once again I am going to tell why I am writing here Z value as 2 means. Say this is simple primitive unit cell. You know very well. Simple primitive unit cell means what? Atoms are present only at the corners, constituents. So this is body centered unit cell. So for this, how many number of unit cell? How many number of atoms per unit cell? How do you say here? See, 8 into 1 by 8. This is with respect to what? Corner atoms plus 1 with respect to center. So for BCC, 1 plus 1, that is equal to how much? 2 atoms per unit cell. Already we have calculated this. Okay, I told you people. So now like this for BCC, Z value is equal to 2. Okay, so you can consider Z value as 2 for BCC. You need not to get confused. First you have to see that what type of cubic it is given. Okay, now edge length A is equal to, what is the edge length value it is given? A is equal to how much here? 288 picometer. See, you should convert that one into centimeter. So what you have to do here? 288 into 10 power minus 10 centimeter. Always you have to convert. Okay. Then density is given. How much here? Density D is equal to 7.2 grams per centimeter cube. So these are the data. These are the values. It is given in the what? Numerical.